made it. We're here. Kids, where are we?
At the sand dunes.
We are at Pink Coral Sand Dunes. It is a state park in Utah, and we are camping here for 2 days. We are going to try our hand at skiing around on the dunes. Compare it maybe to the Sahara, because we have done that.
But they rent UTVs, so we may go see what we could rent a UTV for.
So we're out adventuring. Let's go. Weather check, because southern Utah could definitely boil you alive in the trailer. We do have full power and water here, so we're pretty excited about that.
We're gonna be living like kings.
We love boondocking, and we're actually pretty dang good at it, but I gotta be honest, it is quite convenient to have full hookups. So here we are living the high-end life. So when we first set out, it was like, oh no, we're not paying $29 for a campsite, yuck. And now it's like anything under 50 is like, that would be really nice. So I guess, you know, paying $250 a night for Airbnbs in Europe just really changed our barometer there. Anyway, we're super excited. We're gonna go get set up and then we'll take a little tour, shall we? Morning here in the trailer, cleaning up breakfast and filling waters. We again are at Coral Pink Sand Dunes. So we're going to show you our tips and tricks for the best time in the sand dunes ever. We did rent a board, the Sandboard, so they're $25 at the visitor center, like check-in area. So we picked up our board. We actually, I think they even waxed it. Did you wax the board?
Yeah.
Using our ski. Oh.
They said to wet re-wax like every 3 turns.
Every couple turns we re-wax it. We
too.
also are considering taking the snow skis because, you know, you might have to just try it.
And we just have like a skateboard deck and it's just a flat
Ladies,
skateboard.
if you're playing in the sand dunes and this is your first time and you're actually going to play, not just like stand there, but like roll down the dunes, Nike Pros are going to be your bestest best friend.
Because you're not going to get sand because they're tight, and same with their Nike bra.
That's right. My bra's not Nike. Will it work still?
No.
So, after years of experience,
I can tell you one thing. People always roll down the sand hill and stuff. That's lame. What's better than doing that, if you like rolling down hills, you'll love purposely tripping and falling down. Tumbling, if you may.
no way.
It is way funner.
No way.
It is way funner than rolling.
So our campsite here does have some bathrooms with showers. So we are packing up shower bags so that when we get back, they can just grab them and go, because no sand in the trailer. We don't do that. And we're super excited to go and play. So we're just gonna pack up some waters, maybe a couple snacks, and off we go. We really enjoyed camping out here last night. The stars were incredible, the weather's amazing. But even if you didn't want to camp and you just want to come to the Coral Pink Sand Dunes to have a day, there's a day use fee of $13. You can rent a board.
You can get a Utah State Parks Pass, which if you're gonna do a lot in Utah,
Definitely worth it.
get a Parks Pass.
Totally
It'll pay
worth
for
it.
itself 100 times over. But it's weird. It's August and it's really not hot
No,
here.
it feels great.
We checked all the weather before we did this because obviously we don't want to be like dying of death.
We try not to die of death.
And school just started here, and so most of these campgrounds are pretty open.
Yeah, we're like.
There's only one other person.
Yeah, there's
Wait, I gotta...
no one here. I'll show you the campsite. We're right across from the campsite. If you're booking online, we're in, excuse me, from the visitor center. If you're booking here, we booked 25 and actually really like the location. The day use area is going to be this way, so we're a little bit closer. We're gonna drive up there today simply because we are taking skis and toys and all that. But this is a great little spot, and we're gonna go find the boys on the dunes. come prepared for a hike. There's a little viewing spot there that we just showed you, where you can sit and watch people play without having to hike all the way over. So if Grandma and Grandpa come, or if the kids want to keep going and you want some shelter, then the visitor center's clear over there, which means the campsite's there. So you can walk this route, or you can park over here in the day use parking. Kids are starting here, and Lance is buckling in to try to see if the skis will work. It'll either be the greatest time ever or epic failure. Going down's fun, back up not so much. First run went really well. We filmed it for a reel, so we'll throw that on shorts and you can see. Looks like he's gonna go for it again. Ready when you are.
Bring back. Yeah!
Awesome. Oh, lean back, lean back.
Not too bad.
1, 2.
Flying to Geneva, staying in Bern.
Okay, oh, Bern's gorgeous. I loved Bern. It's serious.
Bring it like that.
There it is, yeah!
Yeah, we're naturals. We're naturals. We're naturals.
Stand up, keep going. You got it. Stand up, you got it. I know, right?
Hey.
She's got good form.
He's still going.
2 girls,
10 out of 10. Nice.
Is it everything you hoped for?
Yeah, Phil, my next board, it's gonna be sick.
Okay, here you go.
Not ready.
Oh, I thought you're not going?
Let he ask.
Okay.
No, you can go.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm really dizzy.
Wonder why.
Go over a little bit though, away from the footprints. It's not gonna be faster, it's just gonna keep you from getting like stuck.
Ready, Ma? Dad?
Now the last time I swear you went down the opposite way with the opposite foot forward. Okay. Heavy on your back foot, really lean back like 80% or more in your back. You almost 180'd.
Apparently. Oh, I have.
I'm not gonna do that. I haven't done some.
Think about it. What are the downsides?
Literally dying.
All the sand in here.
Actually,
We gotta work off all the whiskey we drank last night.
Yes, exactly.
No, I think I would die doing.
okay, Dad, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna somersault.
You wanna borrow his goggles?
Yeah, actually, that would be swim goggles. And
All right, Rox, what's the plan here?
we're gonna somersault. I'm protecting my eyes because I got sand in them last time.
Whenever you're ready, bro.
Okay, ready?
Send it.
That's not a somersault. I can't. Got your mom.
Yeah, you're gonna have sand and everything for probably the next week.
I'm gonna try and go in a full circle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't get hurt.
No promises. Lost first case.
Stand up.
I guess I kind of.
Stand up, noodle legs. I think you're left foot forward, dude.
Yeah, you. Okay, do it from there. You can still go. There you go.
Maybe she is right. I don't know.
Maybe she can't bend her knees because they're so long. She goes halfway off the board.
Hurry up, go again.
You can probably get up here in one step, noodle legs.
Head.
Yeah,
There it is. Nice.
had an amazing time. Met some new friends. We all shared boards. Everybody had some runs. We're all probably sunburned, definitely sand whipped, ready for a shower. So we're gonna call it a wrap on coral pink sand dunes. Don't forget to look up the Utah State Parks if you're in Utah doing the Big Five. The 195 there are amazing parks here. We love Goblin Valley, the sand dunes, Dead Horse Point. There's some great options. So enjoy your camping, your hiking, exploring. We'll catch you next time on the Teeps Fam.